And this is Angela. Okay, our first toy is Little Little Pet Shop. First mine is Bonnie Time. She has some head in air and her house can spread it and get an ice cream or and this is Bonnie. Okay, the next one is this is Cat. Her name is Cat. Yes, Cat. Her friend and look, her front feet is like too. This is Andy's bunny. Bunny and the cat and look, you see there's some hole and there's some chip and you will put it together. Okay, they put it together. Next one is Rio. Next one is Rio. This is the wife of Rio and you look some button here means some on and off. We will on it and we will push the button and look what it's worth. Look, next toy is from Hotel Translado. This is the dad of Maria and Salavia. Come to Hotel Translado. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Please subscribe here and comment what do you want to see with our videos. Thanks.